Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Manicured by Jill. I am so excited today because I am going to be unboxing my Ambassador box that I received of dip powders from Melanie at Dipnotic Nails, and I cannot wait. I'm so excited about this. She sent these out so quickly. I am a guest ambassador for Dipnotic Nails for this month of May. And I do have a discount code. It's Jill10, Jill 10, the number 10, for a 10% discount on any purchases you make through Dipnotic Nails for this month. And you guys are going to get to see my natural raw reaction. I have not opened this yet. I did cut the bottom of the box just so I'm able to easily open it, but I have not seen what's inside here yet. I cannot wait. So let's get started. So I'm just gonna open up here. Let me turn this so you can see it. This is so cute. Look at these little stickers. I love that. So cute. Got two of them. Okay. Aw, sweet little note. Super exciting. So I was able to make a couple selections for the colors that I wanted to use to make some manicures for this month. And I did get some samples as well from her new collections coming out. So I am very excited to see everything that's in here. So I'm so excited. Let's open this up and let's see what we have in here. I feel like I just got a present and I'm opening it up on Christmas Day, and you guys get to share in the joy with me. So I don't even know where to start. I guess I'll grab this one. This is called Cedar Shakes. Let's see what this looks like. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And this is a sample. This is a lot of product. This looks like a full mini jar. Like, this is very impressive. I am thoroughly impressed so far. This is a really nice jar too. I just figured they would come in like sample baggies, but that is super nice. Hydrangea, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to open this one. This looked so beautiful on the Facebook group. I can't wait to see this one. I absolutely love. Oh my gosh, I love this. Look at that color. That is stunning. I don't have anything like this. This beautiful light blue. This is just so pretty. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. And these two colors would look so good together. This one is called Picket Fence, and this is another sample. Super pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this. Look how gorgeous, you guys. Creamy, buttery smooth, and just a nice fine shimmer. Absolutely love that. This one's called Sparkler. Yes, you guys, 4th of July, Memorial Day. This is perfect. Red, white, and blue. Look at those stars in there. This is filled to the brim. Like, that is impressive. I am so excited for this one. I don't have any dips that have stars in them, so I was just so excited when I saw that one on her website because I can't handle the stars. It's just so cool. This one, Blackberry Cobbler, which is a foil. I don't have anything like this either. I love foils. I just can never get enough of a good foil, and this is beautiful. That is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm in love with that one for sure. And we will do this one, Evening Air. It's another foil, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at that beautiful tealy green color, and it looks like gold foil in there. I'm so excited. These are huge, like, amounts too. Like, this is so much product. I'm just so excited with how many manicures I can do with all of these awesome options I have, and they're all so unique. So this is Zodiac. Yes, I love that. Nice dark color. You guys see how gorgeous that is? It almost looks like fine goldish, like blue little shimmers in there. That is lovely. That is just so pretty. And you can never go wrong with a shimmer. Like, you just can't. These are surprises to me because I did not choose these. Melanie just threw these in here because she's awesome and so wonderful and so generous, and I am so curious to see what this is. This is Independence Day, and this is a sample. I want to be very careful not to open this everywhere, so I'm just trying to be very ginger. Oh, and she very kindly taped it on the side. That was so nice. She put some tape on the side to keep it from spilling. This was packaged super well, by the way. So I'm just all around so impressed. Oh my gosh, I love this. Look at that. Red, white, and blue. I absolutely love that. Beautiful. I love a good glitter, and this is kind of a mix of like chunkies and fine glitters. Let me make sure I'm in focus here so you can see it. I love that. It's just the perfect mix, and it's so patriotic. And I, until now, did not have any 4th of July / Memorial Day / Labor Day nails like this, so this is awesome. And this one is called Mirage, and this, I'm pretty sure, is a reflective glitter. All right, let's see the final reveal. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. I cannot wait to try this out. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I had been hearing about reflective glitters, and I had wanted to try some out, but I'm so excited. I did not expect to receive this in my box or the Independence Day one, so that was so nice. Such a wonderful surprise. I'm just so grateful and so happy that I'm gonna be a guest ambassador for Dipnotic Nails for this month. Clearly, the quality is there in the packaging. You can just tell right there. It was so well organized, and Melanie was so nice and so enthusiastic to welcome me to the ambassador group, and I'm so impressed with this company already. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I feel like it's Christmas Day, and I cannot wait to play with these. So thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for my Dipnotic manis.